Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to mark your calendar for your special or best occasions on this date. And the first thing you have to do now, you just need to find the calendar application on our iPhone. So for your information, today's device that I use is iPhone XR. So if you cannot find this calendar application on your home screen, it's just so simple. Slide your screen into the left side until you find this app library and type in the search button the calendar, and the system will be bring you the calendar. So you just need to go click this part, and now you just need to choose the date that you want to mark. For example, let's say at 10 January 2024, and then you just need to go take a look on this upper right corner right here, and after that you just need to go click this plus button, and now you just need to name the title of the events that you are willing to have at 10th January. So for example, in 10th January you will got a party, and after that you just need to go decide how will you get the alert. If you want to get reminder all day, you just need to go click activate this part, and you can also activate the specific hours. If you don't want to have an all day reminder, you need to not activate this part, and you can start choosing the hours or the time that you want to get reminded. For example, the party will start at 9, so you want to get reminded at 3 p.m. so that you will have a time to get ready. And after that you can also decide the times whenever the alert will be end. And after you got everything's done to set this occupation or event that you want to have, now you just need to go click add, and you just need to go back to check either the 10th is already marked or not. So the day or the date that we already marked will be have a symbol of dots right in the under of the number. So that's the way how to mark your calendar for your special occasion. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. Don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.